Hello and welcome to this new course in which you will learn how to make your very own Arduino solar tracker. This is a step-by-step guide and this is educational engineering team. What you will learn in this course: you will learn how to make a solar tracker using Arduino in a step-by-step manner. Light-sensitive sensors will be used to track sunlight and direct the solar panel towards the areas that increases its efficiency. The program will be written using the Arduino IDE. This will be a very comprehensive course in which we will take each element used in this project and we'll explain it to you, how to interface it with Arduino and how to connect it correctly. I'm sure that you will enjoy this course. This course will help you gain a lot of knowledge in the solar systems and how to increase their efficiencies. It's a very trending topic nowadays. See you inside this course. This is Educational Engineering Team.